Good morning, friends, families, and future clients. This is your dependable broker, Nick Dimanlig. Yan. So, are you looking for a ready for occupancy project here in San Pedro, Laguna, which is strategically located on South Luzon Expressway, then accessible to public markets, schools, hospitals, and even shopping malls? If yes, let me show you Adele Residences. Yeah. Adele Residences turnover unit offers a minimum lot area of 80 square meters and a floor area of 67 square meters. So, complete turnover po siya. Meron siyang floor tiles. Then, we have a wall paint. Then, we have a partition and ceiling sa taas. Yan. The good thing here is it has a 3-bedroom, 1 toilet and bath. Then, we have a carport. Then plus, all those built-in cabinets are included as well. Looking at this video, makikita nyo na very spacious yung first floor nila. Then you can see here is your sliding door papunta dun sa inyong carport. Then you can make this area as your coffee area. Ayan, so it can be also a lanai area. Ayan, so this is your service area. Ayan. Then, going here sa kitchen, ang turnover deliverables po niya is kasama na itong built-in cabinets. Ayan. Then, even yung granite countertop dito sa kitchen area natin is included. Ayan. Kasama rin po ito. Ayan. The good thing here is, literally, magkahiwalay po ang toilet and yung bath area, yung shower area. So, looking here, so ito yung yan yung toilet area nila. Ayan. Then, ito yung shower area. Yan. So, na-address po ni Adele Residences yung mga common problems ng isang household na minsan, di ba, pag isa lang yung CR, sabay-sabay sila gagamit. So, ito, merong pwedeng mag-shower muna. Then, after that, you can use the toilet area. Then, going here, papunta sa second floor. Ayan. So, this is yung... So, wala lang light, pero this is your first room. So, approximately, this is around 8 square meters. So, ang ceiling height niya is approximately around 2 meters. So, you can place double deck here. Kumbaga sila, pwede nyong gawing children's room. Kayo bahala. Then, here is the second room. Ayan. So, as you can see, malalaki yung windows. So, for natural lighting, hindi na po natin siya magiging issue. Ayan. So, this is our second bedroom. Including na rin po itong mga cabinets. Take note, this is included in the turnover. Ayan, the cabinets. Then last is yung master's bedroom. Ayan. So, this master's bedroom offers a very big windows. Ayan. So, hindi natin magiging issue on ventilation and natural lighting. Ayan. Approximately, this is around 12 square meters of area. Very spacious. And if you are a family of 5, or maybe you have 3 kids, kasama pa natin si Lola. So, it's very spacious here. Thank you.